These 260 cadets began their journey to becoming officers of the Nigerian military on the 3rd September 2016. After 5 years of academic and military training, they are now qualified to be commissioned into the Nigerian Armed Forces. The arrival of President Muhammadu Buhari, the reviewing officer, signaled the commencement of the ceremony as banner is presented to the champion battalion. President Muhammadu Buhari, in his address, reaffirmed of his government's readiness to continue to partner with other countries within the Gulf of Guinea to tackle insecurity, both in Nigeria and in the sub-region.
I assure you that this administration will continue to do everything within the ambit of the law to eliminate all forms of violent crimes that are creating fear and anxiety among the citizenry. It is pertinent to state in this regard that we have received new equipment in our fight against any form of insecurity from our friendly countries. These assets will be deployed to accelerate the fight against insecurity in all parts of the country.
He assured the gathering that his administration will not deviate from its cardinal objectives for which it was elected.
I assure you that this government will not be distracted from achieving the main thrust upon which we were elected, which is addressing the issues of insecurity, corruption, and the economy. As part of a long strategy for more effective and sustained war on corruption, this administration is poised to eliminate the incentives of corruption by addressing some of the remote causes of corruption.
The 260 graduating cadets comprised 123 Nigerian Army, 73 Nigerian Navy, and 64 Nigerian Air Force. Abimaja Moses.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.